With permission of Chair, Dr. Kanimoji NVN Somu. Yes.
Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Dr. Kanimoji NVN Somu.
Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Concern over rising cases of dubious drug trials having serious repercussions on the health care sector in the country. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Sir, it is my prime duty to bring the notice to this House, a very serious issue raised by the Ethical Committee of the National Institute of Virology about the rising cases of dubious drug trials in India, which have serious repercussions on the whole health sector, sir. It also raised serious questions about the monitoring and quality control of the clinical studies in our country. Recently, the Drug Controller General of India, the DGCI, has received an appeal to investigate the critical gaps in clinical trials by a pharma company to develop a biosimilar product for treatment of breast cancer, sir. For a company to conduct trials, all trials have to be registered with the Central Trial Registry of India. The most important factor in such trial is the genuineness of the original product, which is considered the gold standard. Any doubt about the authenticity of the gold standard is bound to give misgivings about the integrity of the whole trial and the effectiveness of the biosimilar copy being tested. Sir, the allegation is that the trials are being conducted just 4 months before the procurement of the gold standard drug from the original manufacturer. Sir, a principal assessor at the National Accreditation Board of Hospitals and the Quality Control of India had called the Ethics Committee of the medical colleges and the big hospitals as dysfunctional, as they are just namesakes and do not scrutinize medical research properly in many instances. If this spurious thing going undetected by the IECs and the IRBs of the 40 premier institutions of the country illustrates the porosity of the checks and balances on the ethical conduct of clinical trials. This raises a serious question about the authenticity of the trial data. By no sleight of hand can this anomaly be brushed under the carpet, sir. The human lives are at the stake if this drug sees the light of the dubious trial. Unfortunately, the same pharma company has a substantial large contribution through electoral bonds. The data released by the Election Commission on March 14th has revealed 35 pharma companies in India have contributed nearly 1,000 crores of political parties across the state and centre through the companies which are being invested for poor quality drugs which they have purchased through the bonds. As a member of the medical fraternity, sir, I caution the Union government to take stringent action against all those involved in these unethical practices in clinical trials and not to play with the life of the innocent people by supporting and facilitating those who conduct dubious, unethical drug trials in the country. Sir, through the chair, I request the Honourable Minister of Health. I will also give a personal writing to him on this issue with all the data. Kindly ask him to do the needful. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Kanimoji ji. Sri A. Rahim, concern over mismanagement of railways in Kerala.
Thank you, sir. Sir, no one seems